The topic that I have chosen over here is some people think that art is an essential subject for children at school, while others think it is waste of time. Give your opinion on the topic. Now, the first important thing is to understand the topic. Therefore, read carefully, read twice before jumping onto the answer. Another thing is focus on key factors. Now, over here, the key factors are some and other people. Now, here, some means the few of them, whereas other are the major mass of the population. Here, some targets art as essential subject, whereas other deals it as unimportant. So, we have to write minimum 50 words for this topic. Now, before we start with our answer, I would like to quote some good editions. Here we go. I thought to add some starting lines, good vocabs, and other words which can actually, it's not that you have to use them just for this writing. You can use it for another task as well, writing task. So this will definitely help you out. Like when you are beginning your writing part, you can start with like here over here they have asked your opinion. So you can write from my perspective to begin with. I believe that. You can add good vocabs over here like skill, talent, vital. Vital means important. Instead of writing important, you can use word vital. Then focus, academics, curriculum, etc. Now, when you want to add information, you can add words like furthermore, further, in addition, to add, etc. Now, these are the words which will actually give a good startup to your sentence. So it's good if you use such kind of things in your write-up. Now, for ending lines, you have to sum up overall to recapitulate. Now, as far as these type of questions are concerned, it's not that they require a kind of a conclusion, but this is just for information. So no need to worry about that we have to add a conclusion for this or not. Here you have to just explain it in few words, that is minimum 50 words that you have to use, and you have to make them understand about the topic. So no need to worry about adding a conclusion. So here I start with my answer. Let us begin. Now here I have begin my write-up with from my point of view. So you can use the other things as well, which I mentioned earlier. So let us begin with my answer. From my point of view, considering art as a mandatory subject in school during early age should be acceptable. But once the child learns their choice, they should be given opportunity to choose one for them. Further, for those who consider art as a waste of time, should allow an individual to make their own selection rather than imposing any decision on them. So here the things that I have added is what I think about this particular topic, how important art do I consider. So that is what I have mentioned over here. I have done a comparison between both the ideas by adding a word rather than. Okay, I have, in my views, I have mentioned that let a child, let an individual decide what they want to do. Now, this is not the time that every time parents force them to do something. So they should be given a freedom of choice. So that is what I have tried to portray in this writing. And within 62 words, I have completed my write-up, which is a good number of words. Like for this particular thing, we get 5 minutes for this task. So it's better we try to add good words and make a good sentence, try to explain them what they have asked and what we think about that particular thing. I have mentioned my own view because my opinion has been asked. Now, if the thing is in general, we cannot write from my point of view. So you have to write to begin with in such type of thing. So everything goes with what has been asked. You have to understand the things and then only you have to start. A good start, good words, and a good ending will definitely give you a good marks. So I hope that you have nicely understood what I was trying to explain you. And if you have any queries still, you can definitely drop a comment in a comment box. I will come up with other such questions soon because I'm getting constant comments like you want more of the writing tasks. So I would be coming up with that. So stay tuned with the channel and don't forget to subscribe